It's a long road to freedom, a winding steep and high. But when you walk in love with the sword of this world and cover the earth with the song you sing, the miles fly high. I was once in Jericho. I almost lost my soul. I turned back to Jerusalem and I heard, welcome, son, Father at the gate, angel jumps dancing at the door. Welcome home, garlands in their hand, it's a happy welcome to home. God's calling today, forevermore, calling today, happiness is Him. Come to Him now, you not tomorrow. Welcome to Him and me confess Him. It's a happy welcome to you. It's a happy welcome to me. It's a happy welcome to all. Praise the Lord.